In this session for the 9th standard CBSE Mathematics, we are going to see the solutions to section A of a revision test question paper. Section A has 10 multiple choice questions in this question paper. The duration of the entire question paper is 1.5 hours, 1 hour and 30 minutes. But the section A has only 10 questions, which could be solved in less than 10 minutes. Let us see what are the skills sets required to solve problems in mathematics in general. Think out of the box is the key to all success in solving mathematics problems. There are 4 basic skills required to solve problems in mathematics. They are creative and innovative skills, logical thinking skills, manipulation skills, and the numerical aptitude skills. Creative and innovative skills are the thinking out of the box, or thinking, this is also known as 360 degrees thinking, something new, not the conventional way of thinking, but creatively. The second one is logical thinking skills, where the logical analysis is an analytical, the analysis of the problem, definition, understanding the question. Here, reading the question and understanding the question logically, and then proceed to think for the solution. Manipulation skills involves how to manipulate, how to do some manipulations. Basically, transposing, using the concepts of certain rules, theorems, and other things. There are a lot of skills involved in this, and that is why they are called skill sets. And finally, numerical aptitude skills in mathematics involves handling of numbers, calculations, performing calculations, basic operations like arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, quite fast. That is, a high speed, and accurately also. Now, let us go to the question paper as such. The question paper is the monthly test question paper of the KV, Kendriya Vidyalaya. We are going to see that. So, here is the question paper. Subject mathematics. Maximum marks 40. The time is 1 hour 30 minutes. Section A consists of 10 questions of 1 mark each. There are 10 questions here. Multiple choice questions. There are 4 options, out of which you have to answer. You have to choose the correct answer. Option A, B, C, and D, they are named as. Let us go to the solutions. Time is ticking away. 1 mark for each question, and less than a minute for solving each question. First question, let me read it out to you. The point which lies on the y-axis at a distance of 3 units in the negative direction of the y-axis is negative direction of the y-axis means that y coordinate should be negative. There is only one option that has the negative ordinate, negative y coordinate, that is B option. Hence, B option is the correct answer. 0, -3. It's because it's negative. Straight away you can tell the answer. And you know that any point on the y-axis, the x-axis, x coordinate is 0, the abscissa or the x coordinate is 0. So definitely this should be the answer. Therefore, B option is the correct answer. So we can mark that one as the correct answer. Okay, let me share it. Let's move on to the next question. The coordinates of the point where x-axis and y-axis meet, it's a very easy question, is definitely the origin. That is 0, 0. That's again the B option. Okay. Here is a question, a tricky question. Third question, if the supplement of an angle is 4 times of its complement, find the angle. This is a problem on lines and angles. So let us form an equation. Let the angle be x. Assume that the angle is x. For the supplement of the angle, what will be the supplement of this angle? 180 minus x, because supplement means it has the sum of the two angles should be 180 degrees. So the other angle should be 180 degrees minus the given angle. So 180 minus x will be the supplement of that angle, x. Where the complement, note this complement, the word complement means complement, which means the sum of the two angles will be equal to 90 degrees. So the complement of x will be 90 minus x. Now will the relationship between the supplement of the angle, which is 180 minus x, is equal to, equated, 4 times 90 minus x. You can solve this problem. Equation, a linear equation in one variable x. The correct answer is 60 degrees. A option, 60 degrees. Form the equation like this. What is the equation? 180 minus x is equal to 4 times, within brackets you write 90 minus x. So 180 minus x is equal to 4 times 90. 4 times 90 is how much? You remove the bracket, you get 360 minus 4x. Transpose, solve the equation, you'll get x is equal to 3x is equal to 180, and therefore x is equal to 60 degrees. And that's the answer. Just hardly takes a few seconds to solve this problem, just about half a minute, let us say. Go to the fourth question. Which one of the following is not a polynomial? Obviously, this is the B option, because the power y is negative here. All rest of them are polynomials themselves. This is a quadratic polynomial. This is a cubic polynomial. This is again a quadratic polynomial. So the odd man out is B, definitely. So B option, y plus 3 by y. Because when we bring it to the numerator, that becomes y power minus 1. In a polynomial, you should have only positive power. So negative power is not, that is not a polynomial. So thereby V option, y plus 3 by y is the correct answer. Fifth question, the number of zeros of the polynomial x cube plus 5x plus 3 is it's x cube. Definitely it's a cubic polynomial, so it should have the 3 zeros. So C option is the correct answer, C3. This is the correct answer. Quite an easy one. When you say the degree of the polynomial, the number of zeros will be the same as the degree of the polynomial. Degree 3 will have 3 zeros. Cubic polynomial is a degree 3 polynomial. Sixth question. This is rather a geometry problem. So it is the measure of angle ACD they are asking. Here they are given that these three are equal. AD is equal to BD is equal to CD. So it's quite easy to solve this problem because you are given one angle. ABD is already given. ABD is 50 degrees. Then, of course, BAD is also 50 degrees, isn't it? So, because it's angles opposite to equal sides, it's also 50 degrees. So, and also we are given that BD is the midpoint of the BC. So that is why this becomes equal. So again, we have the CAD is equal to ACD, angle ACD. So adding all the three, we have known values here. We have only unknown value here is X. Let us name the value because angle ACD and angle CAD are equal. Once again, because when you see this triangle ADC, you will find that angle CAD is equal to angle ACD, angles opposite to the equal sides, isn't it? So we will now have only one variable, that is X here. X, let us take this ACD as X itself. That is what we have to find out. Then this also will be X. So X plus 50 plus 50. 2X. X plus X is 2X. 2X plus 100. 50 plus 50 is 100. Which is equal to the angle sum property, which is equal to 180 degrees. Isn't it? So what would be the value of X? 2X is equal to 180 minus 100. Therefore, X is equal to 40 degrees, and therefore, A option is the correct answer, 40 degrees. This is the correct answer. But it doesn't take much time. You have to analyze it carefully. Use one concept here, the angle sum property. Two concepts. Actually, we are making use of some concepts here. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle. In a triangle, the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So this and ABD and angle BAD will be equal, each equal to 50 degrees. So these two angles are equal. And once again, in this triangle ADC, we have AD is equal to CD. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle CAD. Again, for the same reason, angles opposite to the equal sides. Let angle ACD be X, so CAD is also X. So using the angle sum property, the second concept of a triangle, sum of the angles equal to 180 degrees. That's all. 50 plus 50 plus X plus X. X plus X, 2X. Plus 50 plus 50, 100. Total is 180 degrees. So 2X is equal to 180 degrees. Of course, 2X plus 100. So 2X is equal to 80 degrees. Therefore, X is equal to 40 degrees, half of it. So A option is the correct answer. Seventh question. In triangles ABC and DEF, AB is equal to FD. The two triangles will be congruent by SAS axiom if. See, SAS is side, angle, side. Two sides and its included angle. Two sides and its included angle. So the included angle is already given. Angle A equal to angle D. So A is the angle, and already one side is already given. So you have to find one more side. AB is equal to FD is already given there. Look at the order of the vertices. AB, FD. See, so AB and FD are not in this order. So FDE should be the correct order. So FDE is the correct order. A, B, C and F, D, E. So AB, so BC is equal to F. We have that BC, F, D, E. So BC is equal to DE. D option is the correct answer. Analysis is a little bit careful you should be, because in always when you write a triangle in congruence, you should maintain the order of the vertices properly. AB is equal to FD they have given. So A corresponds to F and B corresponds to D. So this order is not correct. DEF is not correct. So FDE is the correct order of the vertices of triangle DEF. So DEF is to be written as FDE, because ABC is correct order, because AB equal to FD. So this F should come here, FD first, FDE. So when you rearrange the vertices of the second triangle, automatically you will get BC is equal to D. That's all. So that condition, the third side that should be equal is the BC is equal to DE, which is the D option. Now move on to the 8th question, which is also a very fairly easy question. But we should know what a median is. In the given figure, AD is the median. Of course, a median, what is a median? A median is the line segment joining the midpoint of a side to its opposite vertex. Here, BC is the side, D is the midpoint of that side BC, and A is the opposite vertex. So AD is the median now. Come on, that's it. Now, angle BAD is what is asked. Now in this figure, we are given AB is equal to AC. That's what is given in the figure. The two strokes that are given here, one here and one here, that means that AB is equal to AC, which is what? An isosceles triangle. Again, we make use of that property, angles opposite to equal sides. So ABC is also angle B, that is angle ABC, is equal to 35 degrees, and angle ACD is also 35 degrees. Angles opposite to equal sides. Hence, and we also know for by congruency, we will also come across angle BAD is also equal to angle CAD. We can prove that, but not necessary to prove here. It's a multiple choice question, and only you have to use the concept and get the answer. That's all. No need of working out any steps here. So directly you can get BAD. BAD is 110 degrees. BAD, the whole angle. Sorry, BAC, angle A, because angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So 35 plus 35, 70 plus 110 gives you 180. So angle BAC, angle A, this angle A, the vertical angle here, the vertex here, is 110, and half of it, you don't have to take much time here, but the analysis is to be done. We must know what a median is. We must know what that a median in an isosceles triangle, the median bisects the central angle, that vertical angle. That's all. Vertex, angle at the vertex, A. These are some of the basic concepts which you already know. You can straight away apply these concepts and get the answer quickly. And assertion reason type questions, there are two questions, 9 and 10. The two questions are assertion. If the two interior angles on the same side of the transversal intersecting two parallel lines are in the ratio 5:4, then the greater of the angles is 100 degrees. 9. Add 5 and 4, you get 9x. Say, let us say 5x and 4x, the two angles. So if just add them, it will be 9x is equal to 180 degrees. What is the meaning of this? The statement, the interior angles on the same side of the transversal, the sum of these angles should be equal to 180 degrees. The co-interior angles, they are also known as co-interior angles. So the sum is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, what will be the result? Nine x is equal to 180, x is equal to 20. So the greater of the angle should be 5 into 5x. 5 into 20, x is equal to 20. So 5x will be 100. This is true. So hence this assertion is a true. Let us see the reason now. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degrees, which is also true. And it is also the correct explanation for of the A assertion statement. So A option is the correct answer. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Understood? There you are. 10th question. Assertion: if A plus B plus C equals 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cubed is equal to 3ABC. There is a famous identity here. The reason that is the identity. The last identity that you learned in 9th standard. A cube plus B cube plus C cubed minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C in one brackets and the rest of the brackets A squared plus B squared plus C squared minus AB minus BC minus CA. Irrespective of the second bracket, since A plus B plus C is 0, the entire result on the left hand side is equated to 0. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to 0. Therefore, we get A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. This is also true. This is true. This is an identity, so it's true. So R is true. The moment you see this formula, this identity, you'll say that R is true. But if A is true, correct. Because if A plus B plus C is 0 in this, if you put A plus B plus C is equal to 0 in this identity, you will get A cube plus B cube plus C cubed is equal to 3ABC. That's all. Minus 3ABC is equal to 0. Hence, A cube plus B cube plus C cubed is equal to 3ABC. So A is also true. So A is true and R is the correct explanation of A. That's it. A option is the correct answer again. So we have trashed out these 10 questions out. Let us check with the answers and see if we are really correct. You might have noted down the answers. If you had noted down the answers and you had worked out yourself, you please see that whether you are able to solve them, whether what you have done is correct or not with the answers now. Let us go to the answers, key answers. Section A, look at these answers. We got it correct, I think. Pause this video and just see whether your answers are correct. See, the 10 questions we have seen today, you might have got all of them correct. So that's it for today. And in the next session, we will be seeing the rest of this question paper. The 2 marks, there are section B and section D also, C and D also. We will see the section B in the next session. Thank you.